To report a Trust Wallet login issue, follow these steps. First, ensure you have the necessary information readily available, including your wallet address and the specific issue you are experiencing. Next, go to the Trust Wallet support page and click on the Contact button to initiate the reporting process. You will be directed to a form where you will be required to provide your email address, wallet address, and a detailed description of the issue. When describing the issue, be as detailed as possible, including any error messages you received and the steps you took leading up to the issue. This information will help the support team to quickly identify and resolve the problem. After submitting the form, you will receive an email from the Trust Wallet support team acknowledging your request and providing a ticket number. This ticket number can be used to track the progress of your request. It is essential to note that the support team may require additional information to resolve the issue, so be sure to check your email regularly for updates. In addition to reporting the issue, it is also a good idea to take steps to secure your wallet, such as enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. By following these steps and providing detailed information, you can quickly and effectively report a Trust Wallet login issue and get back to managing your cryptocurrency. Remember to always prioritize the security of your wallet and take necessary precautions to protect your assets.